All right, guys. All right, everybody. Welcome to today's market outlook for the new week. As a matter of fact, last week we threw out a market outlook on what we are looking for in the market, and of course, everything played out accordingly. Accordingly, the way we give our analysis bias and everything played out excellently well. How many of you were able to kill and nuke those signals we saw last week? And some of the market outlook we intend to be looking out for the new week. How many of you were able to harness those stops? Now, in today's new week, these are the trades that I'll be looking out for. And as a matter of fact, if you are not in our community, I want to say that again. Please and please look at the description, the link in my description or around this video, and join us in on Telegram, our community, where we troll in the daily signals every blessed day for you guys. This last week's signals, which we had about 17 signals, we killed 16, we lost just one. That was crazy. That was more than accurate. We lost just one. So I believe you wouldn't want to miss any of these free signals from us. So please join us right now and look at the link in this around this video and join us. So let's go into today's market outlook. Let's go into market outlook. Let's see Sunday's market outlook. Let's go. First of all, I'm looking for a buy, right buy on what? GDP I'm looking for a long on GDP I'm looking for a long. Why am I looking for a long? I'll show you. This cycle level here is a point of concentration. Can you see? Can you see? That cycle level where we have support on resistance, resistance on support. Can you see? So it's a what? It's a strong point of concentration. So whenever we are here, we are selling. Whenever we are here, we are buying. Whenever you're up here, you're longing. Whenever you're down here, we are shorting. And whenever we start from here too, we are shorting. As a matter of fact, this is the lowest what? The lowest low. Yeah, the lowest low here, another lowest, and the market is going back to this another lowest low here. Definitely giving me what? Another confirmation of what? Pin bar, which is what? So market might, so I'm expecting this to still come down around this point to play around here. Can still play around here, then push back. The buy might not be immediately. Let me show you. It might not be the long might not be immediate, might not be immediate. Can you see? This formation is also a change of pattern. So I am convinced enough for the long to come in. However, it might not, it might still come down around here, then push. That is it. So I am looking for a long on GDP JPY. Not only that, I'm looking for a long on Euro USD as well. Euro USD. Let me show you where I'm looking for long on Euro USD. That's two. Euro USD. I'm looking for long on Euro USD. Let me show you guys. Euro USD. I'm looking for a long market. I'm looking for a long. Let me show you. I'll be so much interested in a long. Can you see? When market comes to something around here, or yeah, I'll be looking for a long. However, right now, this formation is a sell market, but the entry, because what I'm seeing on 15 time frame is not good. But there is no entry yet. Except market breaks this place and we test under it or come back to us around here, give us something around here that's going to show confirmation or engulfing or something around here. That's what we can. But right now, the formation is not good for entry because I understood pattern, candlestick pattern and every other. That's why I could say that. But the long run, what I'm saying, the long run from 4 hours and 2 hours, it shows that a short is coming. Because we can see the part can be. So I told you guys that we have about 20 different candlestick shapes patterns, reversal, continuation, M-twin, exit, everything is there. As our student, you should be enjoying this. I repeat, join us right now on our Telegram, right, so you can get access to some of these stuffs. Because all our mentorship students have this access. So they just look into it and learn them, and that's how they're able to interpret and take the direction of the market. Because of what? And we understood market because I tell you that every candle speaks a language. You should be able to interpret all those languages. You should be able to interpret them. So I know that this is going to be a short because of what I'm saying. I'm very sure. I know it's certain. I'm confident. But it's just that the entry is not set yet. Not entry yet for this yet. But it's a short. I'm looking for a buy around here. Not only that, I'll also be looking at for CGP JPY. I'm looking out for a buy at this point too. I'm looking for a buy. Yeah, I'm looking for a buy at this point. I think I'm looking for a buy already. I bought this. I already bought this over the weekend, late New York, and it's already moving. So I believe it should come to sign around here. Aside from that, I'll also be looking out for. I'll also be looking out for a short. I'm looking out for a short on NZDUSD. That's the fourth one. That's my fourth one. Let me show you. That's the fourth one. I'm looking for a short. You can see here, you can see this area. This area is called an area of concentration. So it's also called an area of a zone. Some people call it order flow. Some people call it whatever name you may call it. So this area is a strong area, touching also touching my cycle level. So aside from that, from the candle I can see, let's look. Can you see? So I'm looking for a brief shot around here. Information is what is showing me also the patterns is also a short. So this one I'm looking for a brief shot. I'm looking for a short, a brief shot on this. And the last one, which is EURJPY, I'm looking for a buy here. I'm looking for a buy. Let me show you guys. I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for a long here. Let me show you why I'm looking for a long. Can you see? This area is what is a point of concentration, is a point of interest where we have support turning resistance, resistance turning support. So it's a key area. It's a key area at that zone. It's a very key area, and we have formation, a change of structure around here, which make this one our lowest low. Then this is the highest. Highest is the highest. This is the lowest. This is the highest, and market is around it. So I'll be expecting to catch this stuff to come around back to come down here before I can shoot. But it's not here also yet for sure for long to come back to cover this pin bar possible. Come back to this here or catch liquidity. I'm still expecting that liquidity to cash. So I'm expecting anything not to happen around this point. So it's a liquidity anything around liquidity grab. I want to cap into the liquidity grab or stop something around here, then I'll be looking to short. So that is all of the three that I'll be looking to short in this market. I hope you learned one or two things today. If you have any questions, don't forget to let me know also what you'll be looking at for the new week so that we can talk on that. Let me know, please. What you're looking at for the new year, the PS you are looking at for the new week. Thank you so much, and thanks for joining me once again. Don't forget to what to like, comment, and of course, drop follow us on the channel so you can get to enjoy more of our videos. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a wonderful night. Bye for now.